keys, everything as it was meant to be. And we will worship, worship, forever in your presence we will sing. We will worship, worship you, and endless hallelujah to the King. I will see you as you are, love you with unstaining heart, see how much you paid to bring me home. Not till then, Lord, shall I know, not till then how much I owe, everything I am before your throne. And we will worship, worship, forever in your presence we will sing. We will worship, worship you, and endless hallelujah to the King. No more tears, no more shame, no more sin and sorrow ever known again. No more fears, no more pain. We will see you face to face, see you face to face. When I stand before your throne, dressed in glory not my own, what a joy I'll sing of on that day. No more tears or broken dreams, forgotten is the minor keys, everything